Thoughts are nothing but are the discharge of vital force energy, as said by Pandit Sriram Sharma Acharya. Book title चेतन मन और उसका सुनियोजन. Literal translation consciousness of mind and its planning. Do you know we have a thought system in our body precisely like any other system? It affects our mind, body, and soul and governs a significant portion of our body's functions. Thoughts have immense power, and if used creatively, one can bring tremendous changes towards a blissful life. Simultaneously, if ideas are used towards destruction, it can bring hazards and make life hell. Thoughts and actions are driven by the state of mind's consciousness and thus determines the cause of an individual's life. Excellence in thoughts and feelings is the mainstay of human progress, and those who are aware of this try to improve in the thought process towards the elevation. Excerpts from the book Infinite Power of Thoughts. The basis of a wide range of possibilities for a prosperous life is virtuous thoughts. The frequency of wave of thought is more powerful than light, heat, sound, and electricity. By doing self analysis and self introspection, we can assess our thoughts, and then, with strong willpower and determination, we can plan the thoughts in a controlled way. One can achieve strength and success if we can structure our thoughts through self discipline and resolution. To have the best use of thought power, an in depth analysis of the thought system is required. It should have continuous improvisation if one has not fallen into the habit of disorganized, disrupted, pointless thought process. If there is any possibility, one should take a step to stop this wastage immediately. There are thousands of problems and directions related to one's own life. There should be a systematic thought process and in order consideration to reach the fruitful conclusion. Practice thinking with the help of facts and evidence in front of you, and then, in no time, such findings can be drawn which can be implemented, improving the present situation. Thought waves could be divided into two. First, constructive, and second, destructive. Constructive thoughts manifest into happiness, serenity, hope, courage, kindness, politeness, sympathy, etc. And destructive thoughts are expressed as anger, hate, jealousy, etc. The creative and positive nature of thoughts have an encouraging effect on the body, and on the contrary, negative thoughts diminish the mental energy and bring down one's capabilities. Need to understand the science of thoughts. A lot of studies have been done on the power of thoughts, and it has been accepted in the conscious world that there exists a frequency, wavelength for the control of thoughts, just like for sound, light, and heat. Realizing its importance, a trend of self studies, spiritual discourses started taking place. Detailed analysis on good thoughts gives good results, and bad thought gives bad result. Few topics are covered in this book. Scope and power of thoughts. Immense capabilities of thoughts. Need to understand the importance of consciousness of thoughts. What we think is how we behave. Ambitions should be trending to idealism. Results of positive thinking.